See. Wait, make I ask you something. Please, this one.
Nah.
Now the first or now the second? The first is...
No, not the first.
The first is...
No, second. Yes.
Wednesday, Tuesday morning. As the case may be.
Just in case you don't understand our spiritual language, it's
don't worry yourself.
For us to understand.
Yes. Don't worry yourself. Welcome on board to the Paddy ship. Us, as your captain, we will roll you in a rolling coaster of your life.
Hey.
You will have a fun time in the coaster rolling of the Paddy ship. Ye pirates, are you ready?
All ye pirates, are you ready?
Yes.
For us to take you on a journey for the Paddy show and entertainment feeling.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes. Welcome to the show. Yeah. We welcome you on a very spluffic note. Bam. And on this note, we say welcome.
Welcome.
Sorry, ètò wa òní. A ní èrò pé ẹ̀yin máa gbádùn ètò wa bí ó ṣe ń lọ ní ìṣiṣẹ́ntẹ̀lé. Torí a ní àwọn ètò tó dáradára lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí a fẹ́ kó dùn yín nínú ní òní tó jẹ́ ọjọ́. It's me Tuesday for Yoruba.
Lọ́jọ́ kan. Tuesday.
Ní orí ètò ní ìkòríta tí a dé yìí.
Ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun.
Which one be victory? Okay. Ní ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun òní ní ìkòríta tí a wà yìí. What's up?
Yeah. What's up? I do everything when they talk. So
Ogbolo, dash me this glass now. I beg. Before we start this show, I beg Ogbolo, say make he dash me this glass. He said no. I said Ogbolo, dash me. He even lie, say the glass no fit me. So I can't know. For my mind, I said when the show start, I go beg for this glass on top.
On public television.
No problem, Ogbolo, na your own. I be one hit you, but remember what Momsi talk. So I just calm down.
Momsi don't clear am now. Say you two they knock me for head. So she don't want you now. Say, see, not try it anymore. A man must be a man. Hello? Now, I'll come out the glass.
Dash me this thing now.
It fits me, Abi. The glass fits me. Me will get the glass. Sure, make me see whether it will fit you now. You will want to borrow pose. Dun, 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 dun,
oh my God. Oh my God.
If it Abi not fit am. If it, Abi not fit it. Okay. Based on the number of people that will go tell me whether I feature, I be not feature or not feature. No, wait now.
No.
Now for them, they go, they follow them, they follow the
gist. Oh, but the original, we know the spelling of this one.
Respect yourself.
I like your fake thing.
No.
I like your fake thing.
No. Don't like my fake thing.
Or glass in the traffic, I want to book of me, I want bugale.
So, I'm not bugaling anything.
I just
glass in the water. People waiting for house, they go tell us on top Twitter whether if it's my hour, I be not fit at all.
Oh, yeah, talk the Twitter handle.
Twitter handle at Wazobia Paddy. Instead, say me I go forget they do anyhow. Let us not talk. Whether I fit am, be not fit am. If you not fit am, I hold my thing.
No glass, go glass, no dirty.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll go on break now. We will come back now to give the yarn levels. You understand me now? But if not, like bring them.
I love it. All right, we don't commence the remaining parts of the show.
Yes.
You understand? So we go just give you a placard of Yan the Yan. You get this thing so that we go enter inside the So Yan the Yan now.
The Yan. Oh, we are saying. Because I come like people they do demonstration. Oh, we are saying Yan. Oh, we are saying Yan.
All right, so for my first gist. I don't know where to quantify this thing. I didn't know if it is a happy gist or a sad gist or a happy sad gist. I'm not really sure. But this has to do with back.
Pull over.
Reverse.
Inner light.
When I know those people then.
Yes.
Yes. Now, this particular police inspector, then call him Samuel Timothy, then sentenced him to death by hanging.
Wow.
That one at Rivers State High Court. Ask me, say, what did he do?
What did he do?
Now, he shoots a particular sachet water seller.
Call him where?
Sachet.
Pure water seller.
Sachet.
No, sachet
water seller.
Pure water seller, now the guy.
Okay. He killed person where they say pure water.
Wow.
Now, not be the killing, now he sentenced him to that death. I go tell you what happened.
Yeah, what's
people where they the environment,
yeah.
that one are the eyewitness. Now they can't come out say this particular guy, say the way when he take do him in a like say he no be human being. Say the way when they fire the thing, say he be like say the thing they happy, they sweet him. As just the fire, because they thought that they find robber. Say the guy just the work out with him pure water. And he tell you now, say he no be armed robber. You understand? You know, say this kind of one, you go catch and you go investigate.
True.
The guy on random just begin shoot this guy. You understand? They say they shot him. Tell people the guy they beg, people they beg, everybody they beg. Now they come tell and say, come. Say even when they carry the guy court, say the guy never show remorse. You understand? And according to section 319 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, say they don't get the power to reduce his sentence. That's what means say make I deliver him the way the judge take deliver this thing. He say based on the Constitution, section 319 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I do not have the power to reduce your sentence. Therefore, that you, Inspector Sampson, be hanged on your neck until you are dead. Timothy will be saying there for Nigerian police for 33 years. When we say now 2 years time go retire, now in this thing happen. Now people around when they talk say this particular guy, say now so he they do, he know they get control. No mercy, no mercy. He's a merciless shooter.
Before they give person gun to say go road, go they take care of some kind of issue.
Yeah. Control
and self-discipline are one of the most important things. You guys know some people they just carry their family problem with the gun where they don't give them. Or individual problem. Say because person talk to you anyhow, bring a gun
and down.
Boom. Why? Now you give her life.
You know.
Anyway, like judge don't talk. Shebi man don't judge him. God will still judge his own.
Yeah.
So there are two judgments on your case until but now they don't think of
may the soul of the person where they buy. Onye kachi nwa zuba. Number 34, Old Aba Road, Port Harcourt. Now in that one happened.
Anyway, well.
You know, say it don't happen since November 2010.
It's in the drag come.
But they don't finally judge.
I happy say justice. Justice
prevail.
Justice prevail. I'm very happy. Say justice and prevail on top of this whole thing. Thank you. Now, they worry me. Now, so many young people for inside the world, inside Nigeria, they always want to give excuse for reason why they don't educate themselves. So I'm going to say because they send them go market. So I'm going to say maybe because one thing, they don't see money go school. We don't talk several times on top of this show. Say you fit self-educate yourself. Now you say if you carry a book on your own, they read.
Oh, well, I have one song for this.
Which song? Yeah, sing.
Adun koko, batare adun koko, ka bi o ba kàwé rẹ̀. Batare adun koko, ka bo ba kàwé rẹ̀. Batare adun koko, bi o ba kàwé rẹ̀ o. Batare adun koko, ka.
Ṣẹ́gun kàwé rẹ̀.
Batare adun koko, ka.
Máyọ̀ wá kàwé rẹ̀.
Mo kàwé mi mo ṣe ṣiṣẹ́ bí kí n ṣe ọ́.
You go see the kàwé
dey go. Gbàgbà mi adun koko.
You go see the cow. You go get the cow.
It's a continuous carrying.
You are carrying away. Now.
What?
You are carrying the away. Carry. 13 years old boy. For India, 9 this particular thing. 13 years old. Harendra Singh Chauhan. Not be our country.
Wow.
Name. Sin.
Yes, sing. Because I did watch Indian film. That spelling is sing.
Oh,
no, her sing.
Sin, okay.
Yeah,
so
sing.
Harendra Singh Chauhan. And I be named. They give him 500,000 rupees, will be approximately $7,500.
Oh wow.
Sake of say they see him for when they work for like train station. You understand? And for that particular place, you're carrying books here. You see the picture? You're carrying books for corner. They read. You understand? And then because it's not too pure for them, but he always use the opportunity, just take reading book. At the same time, you go put a scale for one corner. These are the way people, the way they pass. So just to make small pay on the side, you know. But this particular thing, they can't see the video. All those Oga them for that particular side. They share the video on top of Vikas Sada. And they can't call people there for the station, can't use the service, say, okay, this particular boy, they're going to need to improve in studies. So somehow, they can't carry money. $7,500. And then they give them, when you approximate them to, from Indian money, convert them to dollars. And now big money, you know. And their chief minister, Kailash Yadav.
You know they watch Indian film.
I they watch. I watch.
Yadav.
They say the team move them. Say when you see this Chauhan story, the team come move and make. They give them this money to further your education because they say not be just wayward picking. Even though it's not too pure for them, the boys still there for some kind of bad situation. You understand? But you see they read, they read, and somehow person can't see them. Now help don't come. So you wait outside the way probably they watch. Maybe they watch from person window, or they watch for a road, or somewhere, or somehow maybe you don't that bridge. This is not too pure. I mean, nothing will stop you say make you go stop education. You understand? Just they read, they go. Self-educate yourself one way. Not say because you know go university means say you know go read the book. Now.
But you know, say Ogbolo, another thing to say, you see this social media where we they talk about.
Yes.
This social media where we they talk about,
yes.
the power of social media is strong. It's very, very strong because now on top Facebook you go viral.
Yes.
On top Facebook you go viral.
Yes.
You understand? So if I want blow Ogbolo now, if I want me Ogbolo just blow,
yes,
I go just.
Which kind of blow you talk?
No, I mean, if I want you to become popular, I go just do
very,
something.
Very careful. When they say blow, they care for yourself.
No, if I want you to be popular.
Okay, popular.
Popular.
Oh, popular. Okay.
I go just do one thing, just put them for social media. You go just do one. Because this guy now, person when not even see food to chop, when they read in book, he don't even know what in social media. Now somebody for don't record them, put them for facing book, where they think on they face everybody.
For next thing, their organisms are conscious because in this boy, you understand? So you wait outside there, not sit down they wait for help. Just try to help your own
Brings
self
me back to waiting that they always talk.
Go.
They don't burn anybody well, make it get excuse. You can do anything.
All right. So on top of that particular one, you can do anything.
Yes.
You understand? We'll go this break. By the time we come back, we'll let you know every on top of the remaining part of the gist where we'll get on top behind the yarn. All right.
You want to go to break? Is it your break?
No, we have to go on a break.
Is it your
break? You understand?
breaking?
They don't tell me for yeah, we'll go on break. You just
I didn't really have my ear.
See, you get a thing in your talk one day. But this thing, I don't want to because Akporo my guy. He said some people they will say no matter the money they get,
they no fee.
He no fee still repackage anything. That Chris Akporo now one of that example. Akporo as the money we don't enter in hand recently, even based on endorsement and some kind of things.
Money don't enter the guy hand.
Akporo no still do say I'm not to somebody. He read that. No, the person can't read, can't overread.
And that's amazing. Now better thing because some people, that somebody like Akpororo, he no allow in status define him.
At all.
Akpororo is who he is any day, anytime. All right, moving on, talking about money matter Ogbolo. This second part of the story now involve this particular hostel for Leeds. Leeds there for inside the United Kingdom. Now, this particular hostel, now one of the most luxurious hostels. They just opened them for 17th of September. Yes, for students. Make I tell you the things where they for inside this particular hostel. Now, most luxurious students' apartments in the world with state-of-art cinema, games room, gym and personal trainer, study rooms, super fast 100 MB broadband, flat screen TVs, king-sized beds, and a concierge. You know, say this thing now. It means say. See now, Ogbolo, see this thing now.
I must see hostel.
See hostel now.
See hostel.
You don't get excuse not to know book.
Which excuse you want?
Wetin you want to say they do you when no book? You know, say now for you to fit stay for one of the luxurious rooms for this hotel, for this I call it hotel safe. For this hostel, now like 140 pounds. Then like about 45,000 naira a week.
Only.
Oh.
A week.
45,000 naira a week.
Oh, a week.
And it gets 131 rooms. You go chalk. Say for Naija, people go send their children go. They go stay for inside this place.
Before. No, if you did this kind of place, tell me how you.
Why you don't go? If you did this place and you fail, just dey there. Don't worry yourself.
If you fail, that means education is not your mission.
Yes.
Not be your area.
Because you are comfortable.
Yeah?
Why you no go read book?
Say you study for Nigeria University, under every hot sun and plenty. You can't there for the hostel for this country. You can't stay there for the classrooms for this country. People still come out with correct first class.
Yes, now.
You can't go this kind of place.
We're comfortable that.
We're comfortable finish.
They don't burn you well. You must pass.
Oh, Jaya.
Hey.
Oh,
ni pass ikini.
Tell me, Mayowa, how this kind of people, they know they live, enter 100 and something years.
My brother.
With all this kind of peace of mind.
Peace of mind. That's the word, my brother. Repeat it again.
Peace of mind.
Thank you. In capital letter. Say it in capital letter.
Peace of mind.
Thank you.
I bold themselves.
Aye.
Hi. Oh. Make I leave am because if I think and I join our own for here, they pay me.
On this note, we say it is
well.
Thank you.
It is well.
Thank you.
Paul Walker.
Na sabi Paul Walker now.
Paul Walker, yes.
Fast
For those of
Furious.
Fast and Furious, we can't die before they shoot the final Fast and Furious 7. Somehow, for the whole thing, just while they shoot the Fast and Furious 7, he just takes more break, enter in Porsche motor. Him and his friend they drive. His friend driving the other side. Now they drive, boom, bam. And then Paul Walker die. Very, very painful news back then. It don't reach like 2 years now. About 2 years now. About 2 years now.
Getting to, yeah.
Now, Paul Walker, yes, November 2013, yes. Paul Walker, in daughter now don't come and come talk, say, as it be like this now, say she go sue Porsche company. That's people that way do the motto. Say she goes, now the motto be that. Say she go sue them. Say, as the matter be, so say the reason why Papa died for that crash.
That's Paul Walker and his daughter, by the way.
That's be that. He said the reason why Papa died for that crash now because the Porsche people them. Say some things that day when they not put too well inside the motor.
Okay, so she get some defects.
Some defects. Say she can't blame them on mechanical things. Say this one no, they don't do it well. Say even when say on a good day, say they do some kind of things where when the motor crash, if you not burst into flames. So one thing she can't talk mechanical things we supposed they in place. But later, the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department and California Highway Patrol, they can't do their own investigate. They can't talk say no. Say not be mechanical problem cause the crash. Say the papa they run on unsafe speed. Now me say the speed that they run for road for normal street, he say it's too high. That's why the collision now is when they can't jam the place that they can't jam, none of them survive for the whole thing. Even the thing can't even catch fire. You get me now? So, but right now, they don't talk to me anything go pending for now while they do the whole waka on top the whole P.
Oh, well, you know, say to add to waiting you talk now, the lawyers, they can't even talk, say Porsche, they don't put stability control system for inside the car. The model of the car now, Carrera GT model or something. But you know what they do me? You know why I talk this one? We say, you know, say Porsche, na naturally fast car. Now cars where they do for race, you know, where they take do all those things.
Yeah.
So it's naturally expected to go above speed limit. I don't know if you understand.
If you yourself go on the mash up like that,
you understand above speed limit. Now they can't follow talk say the car lack proper reinforcement for indoor. And say they use rubber fuel lines that didn't break free, so that waiting spark up the fire. You understand?
My still be say because no matter
and they say they put on for other models. But you know they that one.
But you know they that one. But you say no, this one especially make them. You understand? It's rare. Then you know people will get that and it's more expensive than some of the
normal
regular
ones.
So some kind of things are normal things. Just when one new phone come out, you understand? People go to rush out. Meanwhile, it's rare. Some things did that for when you know they the former one. Some things can't lack for that one. We did this. You understand? So
and then they don't already accuse them again for Christian Roders, the wife, because she been died for inside something. They don't accuse Porsche for that one again. That one the case still dey pending.
But well, any which way, last for me for the whole level for this whole story, because if say Paul cannot die for this whole from
not
speeding,
all of this thing for no fallout.
So you yourself when they watch. Avoid overspeeding.
Yeah.
You understand? Avoid overspeeding. Try your best. Because if they sharp person when you see free road,
What are you talking
Me when they
about?
drive, that's what they do. You just want fire, more than you tell yourself, say, calm down.
No
calm
be when,
down,
no be.
calm
You know,
down.
say the free road no be even the problem. When you dey drive car, maybe say when you do the zoom, you hear the sound. The thing do you do the zoom. The thing do the zoom.
Amen.
Even me, when be girl, I know. Later, now I come dey tell myself, Mayowa,
Calm down.
Calm
Even we
down.
men, they like to raise
Calm
themselves.
down.
Men like to raise themselves for road.
You understand?
If one man don't pass you, boom, people say your daddy. You know, Marsha go reach, Majesty. So everybody calm down.
Yeah.
You understand?
Especially
Life
students, calm down.
Life
Thank you.
One. All right. So at this point in time, anybody will get any extra gist to gist us on top of the story we don't get, or your personal experience for this whole thing we don't. Yeah, and go Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Reach for the knock us your own comment, knock us your own gist. All right. So for now, we go run, go outside there, we'll go give the lap pee. You know, as we be. You know, on top Paddy.
I'm feeling myself.
You understand? So when they come back now, not go nowhere. You know. Just now, they talk of say university for outside country
and hostel
where things they happen. Meanwhile, for this country, Unilag students shut down varsity over bedbug attack.
And they still they come out with first class.
Yeah, they still they come out with first class.
They still they come out with 2-1.
You imagine?
They still they come out. We get even PhD scholarship.
Hey.
You see?
You see?
You see this thing?
This country.
You see this thing?
Forget. We suffering and smiling, but any which way we they come out with good results. We only say we dey pray for our government, we dey pray for everybody with that side. They say I beg, say make una just try, make the country safe. Because this one, for this matter like this, for this country, all of us get part to play. No be just government. You and I get role to play to make this country better. Oh, we will reach there. We will reach there.
Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy.
Exactly.
Follow us for Instagram at Mayowa Lambe, and then follow my guy, my G, at Ogbolo. Follow the station at Wazobia TV NG. Follow us for inside Facebook. Face us there. Yes. Like us, talk to us, relate with us, gist with us. We go there all right with you. Everything's prolific and nice. Very soon we will be on Snapchat. Don't worry yourself.
Very soon. All right. So comment. Give comments. How you take love the show? What you want for the show and every. All right. Let us know.
Your criticism is our strength.
Wow.
Yes. Their critics is our strength. Waiting then realize about the show.
Auntie Joe, I go see you tomorrow. Any criticism is our show and strength and nothing. Your lack of comment is our weakness. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.